Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kurt Buchanan. Thank you so very much for clicking on my video. I really do appreciate it. I recently passed 4,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I just want to say a big shout out to all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel, and also you guys who continue to help me to grow by liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. Those are actually factors that help me to grow my YouTube channel, and for that I'm very thankful. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, right here I talk to you guys about how to make money online, especially with Shopify dropshipping. So if you want to learn that kind of stuff, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way YouTube will notify you as soon as I release my new videos about Shopify dropshipping and a lot of different internet marketing stuff. Alright, so in this video I'm actually going to be showing you guys exactly how I managed to generate over $840 in sales from just a $22 marketing spend. Alright, so that's super amazing for me, and this is actually possibly one of my biggest days since I've been dropshipping on Shopify. So I don't make a ton of money as some of the other gurus on YouTube, but $840 in a single day sales is pretty decent for me. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did to be able to generate this amount of sales. So let me jump over to this website here, which is PEXDA. So for you guys who have been following up with my YouTube videos, I've spoken about PEXDA before, and PEXDA is a website that you can use to hunt winning Shopify dropshipping products. I recently came across it and I tested it out, and my results are amazing. I'm super impressed by it, so that is the reason why I'm using it and introducing you guys to it right now. So basically there are three different plans: a standard, a premium, and an ultimate plan. And as you can see, the prices start from $1.95 for 2 weeks all the way up to $99.95 per month. Alright, so the differences in the plans has to do with the products that you actually get on your plan for you to add to your Shopify dropshipping store. Alright, so I use PEXDA to find a product. So basically this is what you'll see once you are logged into your PEXDA account and you go to products. This product here is on the ultimate plan, so I won't be able to view it. This one is on the premium plan, so neither can I view this one, so I'll have to look for products on my standard plan. Products on my standard plan won't have any of those buttons. For example, this one is on my standard plan. As you can see, I am able to click on this one, and sometimes you'll find untapped winning products such as this one is also on my standard plan. This one is on my standard plan, so that's how you know the difference. Alright, so if your Shopify dropshipping store is niche specific, for example household pets, you could click in these categories and filter for products only in your niche. Alright, so in this video I'm just going to stay on this product page, and I'm going to pick a product to show you exactly why I think product PEXDA is awesome, and exactly what I did to find a product to sell in my Shopify store that managed to generate me over $840 in sales in a single day. Alright, so let me tell you exactly what I did. So I found a product, and no, this is not the product. I'm not going to reveal my actual product to you guys. You guys can go to PEXDA, do your research, find a product for yourself, and just do exactly as I tell you and try it. Test it out to see if it actually works for you. So if this was the product, you go to PEXDA, you click on the product, and let me show you exactly the awesome information that PEXDA gives to you. It tells you when this product was added to PEXDA's database. It was added in February 2nd. They give you suggested selling price. They give you the product cost on AliExpress, the shipping cost on AliExpress, the profit margins, and they give you CPA. CPA is the cost per acquisition. So basically how much it costs for you to generate a sale from your Facebook ad campaign, and it is priced at around $2 to $4. Alright, so your net profit from this selling price here would be anywhere between $13 to $15. They also give you AliExpress information about the product, number of orders, product costs again, e-packet shipping, number of votes, ratings, feedback, and positive feedback score. Right here, as you can see, there's a link for this product, so you can actually go to this product link. It takes you over to AliExpress. If you like what you see, you can just go right ahead, add this product to your Shopify dropshipping store immediately. Alright, another bit of information which is quite awesome. I know some of you guys struggle with writing product descriptions. They actually have product descriptions for the products here as well, so you can just go ahead, copy this product, go back to your your Shopify store, and update your product description with this description here. Alright, to make it a little bit easier to read, of course, you could use bullets, break up this little bit of text to make it in different points so persons can read it easier. Alright, they also give you information as to who is actually selling this product. Usually they give you information for Amazon and eBay. Sometimes you will see store information if they have data on that product from an actual store. You can go and click on that to see which store is actually selling that product, and just to see how much you're selling it for, and to gather competitor information as well. So let me see if this is opening up so I can just give you an idea. So as you can see, this store is selling it for $19.95, 7 sold in the last 24. All right. And you can basically just set up your store similar to this one using their layout here. So there's a lot of little nuggets that you can get from using PEXDA if you don't know exactly what you're doing. All right, so you can go ahead and copy that information for your store. Another bit of information which I think is really cool is that they give you an actual Facebook ad campaign for this product, so you can go and analyze and replicate this Facebook ad campaign for your product. So that is exactly what I did. I know a lot about Facebook ads, so what I did was I take the actual Facebook ad example that was given to me, and I made it a little bit better as it relates to my detailed targeting. It's quite fine for you to actually use what is given to you if you are not really familiar with Facebook ad campaigns. But if you are familiar with Facebook ad campaigns and you identify ways that you can make it better, go right ahead and make your Facebook ad campaign better. So at this point, I'll just go ahead and add this product to my store. Basically use these two countries here for my targeting on my Facebook ad campaign. So at this point, once my product is added to my store, you want to go to your Facebook Business Manager. I'm not going to show you how to create the ad. I'll leave a link in the description. Basically, it's the same as every other Facebook ad campaign, but what you want to pay attention to is the information given to you here as it relates to the targeting. So usually they give you different targeting options, so you can set up your detailed targeting using this targeting method here, 18 to 65. They give you potential reach. They tell you who to add in interest and also behaviors. So as you can see, you get detailed targeting, multiple detailed targeting ad campaigns for each product that you find. Sometimes you get 2 different targeting options, sometimes 3, sometimes even more. So that is exactly what I did with my product that I found, and I made my targeting a little bit better based on what was given to me, and that is how I managed to generate over $840 in sales in a single day. So let me tell you guys that my ad campaign has been running for 4 days. 4 days. In the first couple of days, I didn't actually make any sales from that product, right? But I was collecting Facebook pixel data, and I was collecting information in my chatbot as well for my marketing campaign, for my Facebook ad messenger marketing campaign. So I used that information on the 3rd day to actually retarget persons that visited my store and didn't make a purchase, and that is exactly what helped me to generate over $840 in sales. So if you don't know about Facebook chatbots, I do have a video on that as well, so I'm going to leave it in the description. I'll leave all the links in the description that are necessary to help you to actually generate some sales using this method that I'm actually showing you. So basically, that is where I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Really hope you found a lot of value in this video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you go ahead and leave a like on my video. Drop me a comment if you have any questions, and ultimately I'd really love for you to subscribe to my channel. That way it benefits both you and me. You will definitely be notified when I release my new videos, and would really just be motivated to continue doing free videos for you guys. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.